We are having Dr. P Anbalagan IAS, the Secretary of Industries, Government of Maharashtra as the chief guest, and with us to talk about the industries in Maharashtra. So how do you think the automation can help the manufacturers in Maharashtra?
Basically, the volume or the scale which we are looking at, and particularly for the state, which is like a manufacturing hub for like many decades, the smart manufacturing with innovations, AI, which is also going to create a lot of disruption in creating a new set of jobs. The state, the industrial policy has a like a provision for smart manufacturing, not only for the bigger investors, even for the MSMEs. The policy which we are like looking at, we will be releasing soon. Will have a component for like smart manufacturing, particularly for a smaller MSMEs, because it is going to be the norm of the day now.
Sir, you spoke about the SMEs, which I believe is very important for any economy. The growth of the SME, we all will grow. So, what very specific any support government of Maharashtra will be giving to the SMEs to bring latest technologies and latest automation?
Basically, the policy, the MSME policy, and even the regular industrial policy has a provision for like innovation, R&D, and even like showing their exhibits, supporting them export, like financially, also providing the spaces. So it's not like necessarily one single component. Government looks at it as a comprehensive component. Entire value chain, the government is going to capture it, and even now government is looking into like reform. And I would revive the CCOM, which was our once time, which was one of the best NBFC for the MSME. So we are also going to look at like an financial inclusion from the government perspective. Of course, we are like moving with the banks and other agencies, but probably government also will chip in with venture capital fund for MS.
Sir, you have seen in this is a German exhibition, LogiMAT. There are a lot of German companies coming and exhibiting here. So, what are the incentives these companies from outside, especially Europe, who because Europe is not doing very good, so they are looking to expand. If there is any incentives government of Maharashtra can give to come and invest in Maharashtra.
The government gives incentive from I would say like from 35% to 120%, depending on the location we are looking at. So as a like a GST refunds, and as a capital subsidy in some of the sectors, as a power tariff subsidy in some of the sectors. So government has like the state, Maharashtra state doing its like volume and scale and size. It gives the best of the incentives for the industries. Thank you.
Thank you very much.